When a user logs onto a website, Secure Sockets Layer (SSL) encrypts the data so that only the user's computer and the web server can make sense of what is being transmitted. A user knows that SSL is being applied when they see HTTPS and a padlock in the status bar at the top of the screen. Let's see what happens when a user wants to access a secure website. The user's browser asks the website to identify itself. The website sends back a copy of its SSL certificate. If the browser is satisfied that the certificate can be authenticated, it sends a reply and SSL encrypted two-way data transfer occurs.